A day in my life as a 24 years old business owner. And this is our Saturday grind at Kalayaan Park, Taytay, Rizal last Saturday. And that day, ang dami kong dalang pizza. Like 120 pizza, 60 pieces Hawaiian, and 60 pieces ham and cheese. And guess what? Na-sold out yan that day. And akala namin nung una hindi siya masasold out kasi sobrang stressful nung pagsisimula namin. May mga onting plot twist lang talaga that day. And ayan, nasold out siya. Ang daming bumili at pinagkaguluhan na naman po kami. Yes, madaming new buyers or new customer and sobrang dami ding bumabalik na suki ko dyan. And yung iba may 3 pieces, 6 pieces silang binili, 8 pieces. At yung iba talagang bumalik sila ng bumalik sa stall namin just to taste our mini or the younger pizza. And also yung flying saucer natin, nakasold out din tayo dyan ng almost 30 to 35 pieces I think. So ayan, thank you so much sa mga solid buyers ng Urban Bites, and see you again next Saturday and Sunday, same place and same time. And also that day, nag-try kami na mag-toast ng sikat na tipas, hopya, munggo flavor yung niluluto ko dyan. And it turns out so good. Actually, masarap talaga siya. And here's how we actually prepare yung pork chili con carne na flying saucer natin na sobrang best seller din. Nakakaubos tayo ng mga 2 packs na buns for chili con carne na flavor. And ayan, makikita nyo, ganyan siya. Manual talaga namin siyang niluluto para sobrang savory and nanunuot yung taste ng mga ginamit naming ingredients sa flying saucer. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Kung gusto nyo matikman yan, mag-PM na kayo. Or mag-visit na lang kayo sa stall namin every Saturday and Sunday, 5 p.m. until 11 p.m. Yes, sold out 120 pieces. Let's go. So, nagsasanitize na ako dyan. Nililigpit ko na mga bagay-bagay at ang ating videographer ay talaga namang natatawa dahil hindi ka daw yan ginagawa sa totoong buhay. Ginagawa ko talaga yan. Hindi lang niya nakikita. And nasa biyahe na kami pa uwi using Lilac, our e-bike na kakabili lang din namin recently. Yes, tuwan-tuwa ang person talaga. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and share.